Now, to start this off, I'm going to make my own buttermilk. So I have 1.5 cups of whole milk, and to that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of distilled vinegar. Just give this a quick stir, and this should sit for about 5 minutes. While that sits, I have 2 extra large egg yolks in the bottom of the bowl here. I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of sour cream. So I'm gonna mix together my yolks and my sour cream here. And now I'm going to add a cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of coarsely ground cornmeal, a teaspoon of baking soda here. I'm going to mix this together. And now I'm going to add my homemade buttermilk. And now I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of salted butter that I've melted and cooled. So mix this butter in nice and thoroughly. And now for the last step and the last leavening agent, I'm going to whip 3 extra large egg whites to stiff peaks. It really only takes a few minutes, and these are nice and stiff, perfect. So I'm going to take half of the whipped egg whites and stir them gently. I'm going to fold in the rest of my whipped egg whites and spray with some non-stick cooking spray. And now I'm going to ladle in my batter. Close the waffle iron. Our waffles look nice and golden brown.